In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BandLab beats. By the end, you'll know how to open a project, add a drum or instrument track, pick the right kit, and build a groove using the pads and grid so you can start making music right away. First, open your browser and head to the BandLab website. When the page loads, click Log In and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for Library. This is where all your projects live. Open a project you want to work on, or choose to start a new one if you're beginning from scratch. Either way, you'll see a clear path into the creative space. Next, open the Studio. This is BandLab's workspace where the timeline, tracks, and tools come together. Inside the project, find and select Add Track. This is how you bring sounds into your session. You'll be given options, and for beats, you'll typically choose either virtual instruments or the drum machine. Virtual instruments give you playable sounds like pianos, synths, and basses you can sequence into rhythmic parts. The drum machine gives you dedicated drum kits with pads and a step grid that's perfect for building patterns. With your track created, look for the Instrument and Kit selector. This is where you browse sounds. Click to open it, then explore categories and styles. If you're on a drum track, you'll see kits. If you're on a virtual instrument, you'll see instruments. Pick the instrument you want to use, keeping your beat's vibe in mind. Tight electronic kits for modern pop, crunchy lo-fi sets for chill grooves, or acoustic drums for a natural feel. Then select the specific kit that matches your style. You can usually preview sounds as you browse so you find something that fits. Now it's time to create. Use the drum pads to tap out ideas, or switch to the grid to program your beat step by step. Place kicks on the downbeats, layer snares on 2s and 4s, and add hi-hats to fill the groove. Shorter notes can create energy. Spacing adds pocket. If your notes feel a little loose, gentle timing correction can help without losing feel. You can duplicate patterns to build a loop, then make small variations to keep the track interesting. You can also add virtual instruments like a piano or synth bass, using the same add track flow to layer melodies and bass lines over your drums. Keep your levels balanced so nothing overwhelms the groove, and don't be afraid to experiment. When you like what you hear, you're well on your way to a finished beat.